Welcome to a mesmerizing journey beneath the waves, where we explore the mysteries and wonders of underwater life. Today, we embark on a captivating expedition that will take us through the vivid realms of the ocean, from the sunlit shallows to the mysterious depths of the abyss. This is Beneath the Waves, an exploration of underwater wonders. Our voyage will whisk us away to the vibrant world of coral reefs, the bustling metropolises of the sea, teeming with life and a riot of color. We'll marvel at the awe-inspiring marine megafauna, the giants of the deep, whose majesty and might shape the rhythms of the ocean. We'll delve into the often overlooked microcosms of the sea, where small creatures weave intricate webs of life. We'll journey into the deep sea, home to bizarre and unique creatures that have adapted to thrive in extreme conditions. We'll explore the tranquil underwater gardens of Seagrass Meadows, vital havens that support a diverse array of marine life. We'll meet the cephalopods, true masters of disguise with their remarkable abilities and intelligent problem-solving skills. We'll also share tips and techniques for capturing the stunning beauty of these underwater landscapes through photography, and we'll discuss the crucial conservation challenges that these underwater worlds face, along with the inspiring success stories of how we're working to protect and restore them. Prepare to dive into the vibrant world of coral reefs. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are some of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. These underwater realms captivate us with their vibrant colors and elaborate shapes. But beyond their aesthetic allure, they play a pivotal role in the health of our oceans. Coral reefs are not just structures, they are bustling cities of life. Each coral formation is a colony of tiny animals called polyps. These polyps are the architects of the reef, secreting a hard limestone skeleton that gradually builds up to form the complex structures we see. But coral reefs are more than architectural marvels. They are hotspots of biodiversity, home to a quarter of all marine species. From the elusive moray eel to the playful clownfish, these reefs teem with a variety of life forms, each playing its part in the ecosystem's intricate web. One of the lesser-known facts about coral reefs is their symbiotic relationship with algae called zooxanthellae. These microscopic algae live within the coral polyps, providing them with essential nutrients through photosynthesis. In exchange, the coral offers the algae a protected environment and access to sunlight. This symbiotic relationship is what gives corals their vibrant colors. Corals are also the unsung heroes of coastal protection. Their complex structures dissipate wave energy, reducing shoreline erosion and protecting coastal communities from storm surges. Through this, coral reefs serve as a natural barrier, safeguarding our coastlines. But the importance of coral reefs extends beyond the marine ecosystem. They are a critical source of food and income for hundreds of millions of people worldwide. In many coastal and island communities, fishing around coral reefs is a significant source of livelihood. Moreover, coral reefs attract tourists from around the globe, contributing substantially to local economies. While corals cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, their influence is immense. They are the cornerstone of marine life, providing food, shelter, and breeding grounds for countless species. They are the nurseries of the sea, where young fish find refuge from predators until they are ready to venture out into the vast ocean. Yet, despite their importance, coral reefs are under threat. Climate change, ocean acidification, overfishing, and pollution are putting these vibrant ecosystems at risk. It's a sobering reality that underscores the urgency of conservation efforts. But there's hope. Around the world, scientists, conservationists, and local communities are working tirelessly to protect and restore these underwater kingdoms. From planting coral nurseries to establishing marine protected areas, these efforts are crucial for the survival of our coral reefs and the myriad of life they support. From the smallest polyp to the largest coral colony, these ecosystems are teeming with life. They are a testament to the wonder and complexity of nature, a vibrant tapestry woven by countless threads of life. As we continue to explore these colorful coral kingdoms, let's remember their crucial role and our collective responsibility to protect them. In the expansive blue, giants roam. Welcome to the world of marine megafauna. These behemoths of the sea, whales, dolphins, and sharks, hold a fascination that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Their sheer size, strength, and grace remind us of the astonishing diversity of life that thrives beneath the waves. Let's start with the whales, the largest creatures on Earth. These gentle giants are known for their epic migratory journeys, covering thousands of miles each year. From the colossal blue whale, the largest animal to have ever existed, to the humpback whales with their haunting songs, these magnificent mammals showcase a variety of behaviors such as breaching, tail slapping, and bubble net feeding that continue to captivate researchers and enthusiasts alike. Next, the dolphins, the acrobats of the sea, are known for their playful and social nature. Dolphins often travel in pods, displaying complex social behaviors and communication methods. Their intelligence and charisma have long been celebrated in folklore and pop culture. Dolphins also play a critical role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems, as they are both predator and prey. Sharks, often misunderstood and maligned, are truly the rulers of the deep. With over 400 species ranging from the gigantic whale shark to the tiny dwarf lantern shark, they are an incredibly diverse group. Despite their fearsome reputation, most sharks pose no threat to humans. In fact, they are integral to maintaining the health of the oceans, acting as apex predators that control populations of other species, thus preventing the overgrazing of habitats. These marine megafauna, the giants of the deep, play crucial roles in the oceanic ecosystems. Their behaviors, such as feeding and migration, help to distribute nutrients throughout the oceans. Their movements stir up the seafloor, bringing nutrients to the surface, which aids in the growth of phytoplankton, the base of the marine food chain. Moreover, these giants also contribute to what scientists refer to as the whale pump. Whales feed at depth but release their waste at the surface, which is rich in nutrients, particularly iron and nitrogen. This fertilizes the surface waters, promoting the growth of phytoplankton, which in turn supports the entire marine food web and contributes to the sequestration of carbon from the atmosphere. Yet these giants of the sea face numerous threats. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change are all taking a toll on their populations. Whales and dolphins are often entangled in fishing gear, while sharks are hunted for their fins. The warming and acidification of oceans due to climate change also affect the availability of their food sources. Despite these challenges, the resilience of these creatures is remarkable. Conservation efforts, including the establishment of marine protected areas and restrictions on hunting, are helping to safeguard these giants and their habitats. Yet, there is much more to be done to ensure the survival and prosperity of these incredible creatures. These magnificent creatures are true wonders of the underwater world. Their presence speaks to the richness and diversity of life beneath the waves. It serves as a reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve the oceans, not just for the marine megafauna, but for all life on Earth. In the vastness of the sea, size doesn't always matter. Welcome to the world of micromarine life. As we journey through the mammoth marine world, it's easy to overlook the small creatures that thrive beneath the waves. But these tiny wonders, often unseen and unappreciated, play a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of our oceans. Let's dive deeper into the world of these microorganisms and small marine life. These include the microscopic plankton, the foundation of the ocean food chain, as well as small invertebrates like the sea cucumber, which plays a crucial role in recycling nutrients on the ocean floor. In this microcosmic world, relationships are intricate, and symbiosis is a common theme. Take, for instance, the fascinating relationship between clownfish and sea anemones. These two species, vastly different in size and nature, share a symbiotic bond that benefits both parties. The anemone provides the clownfish with protection from predators, while the clownfish brings food to the anemone and helps ward off its predators. Or consider the tiny cleaner wrasse, which sets up cleaning stations for larger fish. In this mutually beneficial arrangement, the cleaner wrasse gets a meal, and the larger fish gets a parasite-free body. It's a win-win situation that creates harmony in the marine world. And then there are the invisible heroes of the sea, the microorganisms. These include the microscopic phytoplankton, the tiny plants that produce half the world's oxygen through photosynthesis. They are the unsung heroes of our planet, providing us with every second breath we take. In the realm of the tiny, there's also the mesmerizing world of seahorses, the only species where the males carry the babies. These tiny creatures with their horse-like heads and prehensile tails exhibit intricate mating rituals and parenting behaviors that leave us in awe of nature's wonders. And let's not forget the tiny yet formidable mantis shrimp, a creature with one of the fastest and most powerful punches in the animal kingdom. Despite its small size, the mantis shrimp is a force to be reckoned with, a testament to the power packed in these tiny marine wonders. This exploration of the micromarine world reveals a universe teeming with life, intricacies, and interconnections. It's a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in our oceans, a balance maintained by creatures big and small, visible and invisible, each playing a crucial role in the grand scheme of things. As we surface from this dive into the world of tiny wonders, let's take a moment to appreciate these small yet significant creatures. They may not command the same attention as the giants of the deep, but their role in maintaining the health and balance of our oceans is no less critical. These tiny marvels remind us that every creature plays a vital role in the ocean's balance. Let's remember to celebrate these tiny wonders, for they remind us that in the vastness of the sea, every creature, no matter how small, has a vital role to play. Dive with us into the abyss, where light is scarce and life takes on forms beyond our wildest imagination. The deep sea is a world of extremes. Here, the pressure can be 1,000 times greater than at sea level, and temperatures often hover just above freezing. Yet, in this seemingly inhospitable environment, life not only exists but thrives. In the abyss, creatures have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive. Some of the most astonishing examples of deep-sea adaptations are found in the fish that inhabit these depths. Anglerfish, for instance, possess an extraordinary method of hunting. They have a modified dorsal fin that acts as a lure, glowing with bioluminescent light to attract prey in the pitch-black darkness. Then, there are the gulper eels, denizens of the abyss with enormous mouths and expandable stomachs that allow them to swallow prey much larger than themselves. These creatures can stretch their jaws wide open in a split second to engulf their unsuspecting victims. Speaking of adaptability, let's not forget the deep-sea squid. These extraordinary beings are known for their large eyes, which can be as big as dinner plates in some species. Their oversized eyes are an adaptation to the dark environment, providing them with excellent vision to detect the faintest glimmers of light in the impenetrable darkness. And then, we come across the deep-sea jellies and comb jellies. These ethereal creatures are often transparent, an adaptation that serves as the perfect camouflage in the deep sea. Simultaneously, many of these jellies are bioluminescent, producing their own light as a means of communication, finding food, or deterring predators. The deep-sea crustaceans, like the giant isopods, have also developed unique ways to survive. They have a low metabolic rate, which means they need less food to survive. This adaptation is crucial in the deep sea where food is scarce. When they do find a meal, they can gorge themselves and then go without food for months, even years. Then there are the tube worms, which live around hydrothermal vents, where superheated water spews out from the ocean floor. These vents are toxic to most life forms due to the high levels of sulfur. However, the tube worms have formed a symbiotic relationship with bacteria that can convert the sulfur into organic molecules, providing the worms with the nutrients they need to survive. These are but a few examples of the incredible adaptations that allow life to thrive in the deep sea. Each of these creatures, from the smallest microorganism to the largest squid, plays a crucial role in the intricate web of life that exists in these extreme environments. The deep sea is the largest habitat on Earth, yet it remains the least explored. Every expedition into the abyss brings new discoveries and deepens our understanding of life's resilience and adaptability. These explorations also highlight the importance of preserving these unique habitats, as they are home to creatures that are as bizarre as they are beautiful. In the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean, life finds a way. It's a testament to nature's tenacity and creativity, reminding us that even in the harshest conditions, life can not only persist but flourish. So, the next time you gaze out at the vast expanse of the ocean, remember the incredible creatures that reside in its depths, a world of darkness teeming with life and mystery. Seagrass meadows are the unsung heroes of the ocean. They serve as nurseries, food sources, and shelters for countless marine species. These verdant underwater gardens are a sight to behold, a testament to the richness and complexity of life beneath the waves. Seagrass meadows are not plants but are actually flowering plants, complete with leaves, roots, and seeds. They form vast underwater meadows, creating a vibrant green tapestry that blankets the ocean floor. But their beauty is not merely aesthetic. These underwater prairies play a vital role in our world's ecology. Seagrass meadows are the lifeblood of our ocean's ecosystems. They provide a home for an array of marine life, from the tiniest microorganisms to large creatures like sea turtles and manatees. These meadows are a bustling hub of life, serving as nurseries for many species of fish and invertebrates. The dense foliage provides shelter for juvenile animals, offering them a safe haven from predators. But the role of these meadows extends beyond just providing a habitat. They are also a food source for a multitude of marine species. Seagrasses are the ocean's great recyclers. They absorb nutrients from the water, which they then convert into plant matter. This nutrient-rich plant matter forms the base of a complex food web, sustaining everything from tiny shrimp to massive dugongs. Moreover, seagrass meadows are the ocean's unsung heroes in the fight against climate change. They are one of the most effective carbon sinks on the planet, capable of storing carbon at a rate 40 times faster than tropical rainforests. By absorbing and storing carbon dioxide, these meadows help to mitigate the effects of global warming. Yet, despite their importance, seagrass meadows are under threat. Factors such as water pollution, coastal development, and climate change are causing widespread damage to these vital habitats. The loss of seagrass meadows has far-reaching implications, not just for marine life, but for our entire planet. Thankfully, conservation efforts are underway to protect and restore these important habitats. Across the globe, scientists and conservationists are working to map and monitor seagrass meadows to better understand their health and distribution. Restoration projects are also being implemented, with seeds and seedlings being planted to help regenerate damaged meadows. These efforts are crucial, but they're just the beginning. Protecting seagrass meadows requires a concerted global effort. It requires us to rethink how we interact with our oceans, to reduce pollution, and to mitigate the impacts of climate change. In these underwater gardens, life flourishes. Seagrass meadows are a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of our oceans. They remind us of the intricate web of life that exists beneath the waves and of our responsibility to protect it. Let's celebrate these unsung heroes of the ocean and do our part to ensure they continue to thrive for the sake of our planet and future generations. Enter the world of cephalopods, the ocean's masters of disguise and deception. These creatures, which include the octopus, squid, and cuttlefish, are renowned for their remarkable abilities, especially their skill in the art of camouflage. Let's begin with the octopus, a creature that's quite literally a shapeshifter. An octopus can change not only its color, but also its texture and shape to blend flawlessly with its surroundings. This transformation happens in the blink of an eye, thanks to its unique skin cells, known as chromatophores. These cells contain pigments and reflect light, allowing the octopus to create a vast array of colors and patterns. But it's not just about looking like a rock or coral. This clever creature can also imitate other sea creatures to deter predators or lure prey. Moving on to the cuttlefish, another master of disguise. These creatures have a similar ability to change their appearance, but they take it a step further. Cuttlefish can generate moving patterns across their skin, creating a mesmerizing display that can hypnotize prey or confuse predators. This dynamic display is made possible by thousands of tiny pigment-filled sacs in their skin, controlled by a network of muscles and nerves. And then we have the squid, known for its lightning-fast color changes. Squids use their transformative skills for more than just hiding. They communicate using a complex language of color changes, patterns, and postures. Think of it as a visual Morse code, where every flash and flicker has a meaning. This method of communication is not only silent but also incredibly effective in the vast and noisy ocean. But the cephalopods' abilities go beyond camouflage. They're also known for their intelligence and problem-solving skills. Octopuses, for instance, have been observed using tools, opening jars to get food, and even escaping from their aquariums. They have a highly developed nervous system and large brains, relative to their size, which allows them to learn and adapt to new situations. It's not just their intelligence that's fascinating. Their behaviors are equally intriguing. Some species of cuttlefish and squid engage in dramatic courtship displays, where males use their color-changing abilities to woo females. These displays are a spectacle to behold, a fascinating mix of art and science, beauty and survival. The world of cephalopods is a testament to the wonders of evolution and adaptation. These creatures have harnessed the power of change, not just to survive, but to thrive in their underwater world. They use their abilities to communicate, to hunt, to hide, and to court, proving that there's more than meets the eye in the deep blue sea. Cephalopods truly are the chameleons of the sea. Their world is one of color, change, and cunning, a world where survival hinges on the ability to adapt and blend in, to be seen and unseen, to be predator and prey. Their remarkable abilities remind us of the endless wonders that lie beneath the waves, the mysteries that await us in the depths of the ocean. So, let's celebrate these masters of disguise, these champions of change. Let's marvel at their beauty, their intelligence, their resilience. Because in the grand tapestry of life under the sea, every creature, no matter how big or small, plays a crucial role. And every creature in its own unique way adds a splash of color, a dash of drama, and a touch of magic to the underwater world. Cephalopods truly are the chameleons of the sea. Ever wondered how to capture the magic of the underwater world in a photo? Let's delve into some tips and techniques. Underwater photography is a unique art form, blending science, adventure, and creativity. It opens up a whole new world of vibrant colors, unique creatures, and breathtaking landscapes. But to truly capture the essence of this world, you need the right equipment, understanding of lighting, and an innate sense of composition. Let's start with equipment. The first thing you'll need is a waterproof camera. There are many options available, from simple point-and-shoot models to high-end DSLR rigs. Choose one that fits your budget, comfort level, and the type of images you want to capture. For beginners, a compact underwater camera is a good choice. These cameras are easy to handle, relatively affordable, and often come with built-in underwater shooting modes. Next, let's talk about lighting. Light behaves differently underwater than it does on land. As you descend, colors start to fade, starting with reds and oranges, then yellows and greens. To bring back these colors, you'll need an external flash or video light. Position your light source off to the side to avoid backscatter, the small particles that can obscure your subject and ruin your shot. Now, on to composition. Underwater photography is not just about capturing a subject, it's about telling a story. Use the rule of thirds to place your subject in an interesting position within the frame. Get close to your subject, fill the frame, and shoot at an upward angle to give your subject a sense of scale and context. Patience is key. Underwater creatures are not always cooperative, and you may need to wait for the right moment to press the shutter. But remember, never disturb or harm marine life for the sake of a photo. Respect for the underwater environment should always be your top priority. Lastly, practice makes perfect. The more time you spend underwater with your camera, the better your shots will become. Experiment with different settings, angles, and lighting conditions. Review your images, learn from your mistakes, and always strive to improve. Underwater photography is a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. It's a way to share the beauty and importance of our oceans with the world. And who knows, your next shot could be the one that inspires someone to fall in love with the underwater world, just as you have. With these tips, anyone can capture the beauty of the deep blue. The beauty and diversity of underwater life face numerous threats, but there are also stories of hope. Our oceans are under siege. Overfishing, pollution, climate change, and habitat destruction are just a few of the challenges our marine life encounters daily. Yet, amid these struggles, there are glimmers of hope and resilience. stories of individuals and communities coming together to turn the tide. Let's start with the incredible tale of the humpback whale recovery. In the mid-20th century, these gentle giants were on the brink of extinction due to relentless hunting. However, through concerted international conservation efforts, humpback whale populations have rebounded, showcasing that recovery is possible when we take action. Closer to the ocean floor, the vibrant coral reefs worldwide have been facing a grim reality. Rising sea temperatures have led to widespread coral bleaching, threatening these biodiversity hotspots. Yet in American Samoa, a certain type of heat-resistant coral has been discovered, offering a ray of hope. Scientists are now studying these resilient corals to understand how they survive in warmer waters, potentially providing a lifeline for other reefs. Then there's the story of the vaquita, the world's most endangered marine mammal. With less than 20 individuals left, the situation seems dire. However, the Mexican government, along with international organizations, have launched an emergency action plan, including strict fishing regulations and increased protection efforts. While it's a race against time, this initiative symbolizes the lengths we are willing to go to save a species from the brink. Similarly, coastal communities worldwide are taking matters into their own hands. In Indonesia, locals are restoring mangrove forests, vital nurseries for many fish species. These efforts help safeguard their livelihoods, protect against coastal erosion, and combat climate change by storing vast amounts of carbon. And let's not forget the role technology plays in conservation. Innovative solutions like remote sensing and artificial intelligence are being used to monitor marine protected areas, track illegal fishing activities, and study marine species in unprecedented ways. These success stories underscore an important message. We can reverse the damage, we can bring about change. Every action counts, from reducing our plastic consumption, making sustainable seafood choices, to supporting marine conservation organizations. Conservation is not just about saving species and habitats, it's about preserving a world that is rich and diverse, a world that amazes us with its beauty and complexity. It's about ensuring future generations can experience the thrill of seeing a dolphin leap, the magic of a coral reef in full bloom, the awe of a whale in full breach. Together, we can make a difference for the life beneath the waves. We've journeyed through vibrant coral kingdoms, met giants of the deep, marveled at tiny wonders, and explored the mysteries of the abyss. We've sauntered through underwater gardens, watched masters of camouflage in action, and even picked up a few tips on capturing the underwater world through the lens of a camera. The ocean's beauty is as diverse as it is vast, with each layer revealing a new world teeming with life. From the sunlit shallows where corals build their colorful kingdoms, to the twilight zone where strange and surreal creatures make their home, down into the pitch-black abyss where life finds a way against all odds, the ocean is a tapestry of wonders, woven together by the threads of life. We've seen the giants of the deep, from the majestic whales, graceful dolphins to the misunderstood sharks, all vital cogs in the wheel of the marine ecosystem. The tiny wonders of the sea, those often overlooked microcosms, have shown us that even the smallest of creatures play a crucial role in the grand scheme of things. We've delved into the deep, where the pressure can crush a submarine, yet life thrives in abundance. Creatures of the abyss, with their alien-like adaptations, have given us a glimpse into an otherworldly realm right here on our planet. We've strolled through underwater gardens, the Seagrass Meadows, home to a myriad of marine species, and a testament to the resilience of life. Cephalopods, the masters of camouflage, have shown us that intelligence and adaptability come in many forms and sizes. And we've also seen how we can capture these magical moments through our lenses, preserving them for posterity and inspiring others to appreciate the beauty beneath the waves. But we've also addressed the challenges. Our marine ecosystems face threats, many of them human-made. Yet, there's hope. Success stories of conservation show us that change is possible, that we can help restore and preserve these underwater wonders for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, every ripple we make on the surface can create waves of change beneath.